Hi everyone, I'm Dennis Cortez, a designer that codes, teaches, and makes music. In today's video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. If you didn't know, I've had a Tesla Model 3 for about a year now, and I've been wanting to make videos on it since I got it, but I haven't had a chance to just yet, but today we're going to be changing that. In today's video, I'm going to be going over how I got to upgrade my rims for under $200. So if you don't know about Tesla Model 3 rims, the standard aero rims that come with the base model are actually just covers that are attached to a base rim that come underneath it. So the cool thing about that is that you can actually exchange this cover for different ones. So this one company I know of called Oribital, they started a Kickstarter that I backed in 2020. I think it was around February of 2020. And I just now, a couple weeks ago, got my rims in finally. So today we're gonna take a look at how I installed those rims. But first, let's do a car wash because my car is extremely dirty. Alright, and now that that's done, let's get a quick look at the Oribital Kickstarter page by Remetrics, which is actually the name of the company, so that was my bad. As you can see, I got them for 35 bucks each, so I actually only paid about $140. They give you an overview of how they look on every color. You can see that they're a little bit bigger than the existing aero wheels, which is nice because you get an extra inch or so, and they even hide the existing curb rash that you have, which personally, I unfortunately needed that. And they're very durable in any weather conditions, whether it's dry or snow, and they're super efficient as well. So that's an advantage of having the aero wheels, so it's nice that you don't lose that with these. As you can see here too, they're super easy to install. You don't have to go to a tire shop or anything. You can just quickly snap them off and snap the new ones on, and then put the middle part in it to keep them locked in. They're also 100% recyclable, which I thought was really cool because I could just snap these off if they get old, buy some new ones, and just swap them out. Now for the unboxing. So it comes with the caps as the first thing up top, and you get a zoom in, little Remetrics logo on the middle, and they just have snaps in place on the back. Underneath that you have each of the rims, so they come stacked in plastic, and they have this nice black satin finish to them, which I really like because it matches the chrome delete that I got it on my Tesla Model 3. So super nice. I really like the shape of these, and I'm excited to get them attached. So let's go ahead and install them. First off, I'm going to snap off the old aero wheels. As you can tell, the back of my original ones are super dirty, but I didn't feel like cleaning them right now, so we're just going to snap those on for now, and I can clean them later. But yeah, you just use the back of your knuckle. You can kind of hit it in. It easily snaps in when you find where the inflator is. You find that spot, you can snap them in, and then also add the middle part to it. So here's another view of that, just me doing the front left one. Easily just snap it in, and again, just put in the middle part, and it easily secures it like that. So here's how they look as a final product. Really happy with how they came out, and I love that it matches my chrome delete, and overall just looks super stealthy on my car. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and a comment and subscribe for more videos like this one. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it. And if you're interested in getting a Tesla yourself, make sure to check the link in the description below because you'll get 1,000 supercharger miles for free if you buy using that link. Also be sure to check out my music. It's on Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, anywhere that you listen to music. There's a link in the description as well if you want to check those out. It's really great for background music and having when you're working or studying. And lastly, I also have a Patreon. So if you're interested in getting these videos early and getting exclusive content on there and exclusive posts, be sure to check it out in the description. It's patreon.com/shyboytm. Again, I hope you enjoyed, hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.